Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate World Environment Day. Let us learn how to love and protect our beautiful earth. Prayer by all students.
For earth so bright, for trees so green and sun so light. Help us care for land and sea, make earth sweet for you and me. Thank you.
Now prayer in Kannada, Manoj.
ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡು. ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಡು. ಗಾಳಿ, ನೀರು, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯುವ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಡು. ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೊಡು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಪರಿಸರದ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಡುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಡು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಹೃದಯ ಕೊಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡಲು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡು.
हे प्रभु हमें
Prayer in Hindi by Mallikarjun.
हे प्रभु हमें बुद्धि दो, धरती माँ की सेवा हो, पेड़ पौधों को मान करे, जलवायु का सम्मान करे, स्वच्छ रहे हम स्वच्छ बनाए, हरी भरी यहाँ दुनिया सजाए, सब मिलकर यहाँ व्रत निभाए, धरती को हम स्वर्ग बनाए.
Speech by Ashwin.
Good morning everyone. Today we gather to celebrate World Environment Day. Our earth is our home. It gives us air, water, food, wind, everything. But today our earth is asking for help. Let us listen, learn and take action. Together let us let us promise to protect our planet. Thank you.
Speech by Samarth.
Good morning. Good morning everyone. Pollution is one of the biggest threats to our earth. Air pollution, water pollution and plastic waste are harming to our nature. We must reduce plastic and avoid littering and keep our surrounding clean. Let us be a responsible citizen and be solution, no pollution. Thank you.
Speech by Atharv.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಂದು ನಾವು ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯಾಗಿ ಹಸಿರುವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಭೂಮಿ ಉಳಿಸೋಣ, ಹಸಿರು ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Speech by D. Akshay.
Good morning everyone. My name is D. Akshay Reddy. Water is life. Every drop of water is precious, but many people waste water without thinking. Let's us close taps properly. Water and avoid wastage. Remember, save water today, tomorrow. Thank you.
Speech by Nandakishore.
ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡು. ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಡು. ಗಾಳಿ, ನೀರು, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯುವ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಡು. ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೊಡು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಪರಿಸರ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿರುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಡು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಹೃದಯ ಕೊಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿಡಲು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Speech by Anas.
धरती हमारी, प्यारी हमारी, इसे बचाना जिम्मेदारी हमारी. पेड़ लगाओ, हरियाली लाओ, जीवन बचाओ, जल बचाओ, जीवन बचाओ. स्वच्छ रखें हम अपने जहां, मिलकर करें हम यहाँ अभियान. आओ मिलकर कदम बनाएं, धरती को फिर सुंदर बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Song by Prajwal and team.
Plant a tree, make the earth green and free. Save the water, clean the air, show the earth how much we care. Thank you. Thank you.
Speech by Pranav.
Good morning, respected principal, my dear friends. Today we gather here to celebrate World Environment Day. Our earth is our home. It gives us air, water, and everything we need to live. But today our earth is asking for help. Let us listen, learn, and take action. Together, let's promise to protect our planet. Thank you.
Speech by Rachita.
ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಯೂ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿಯೂ ಉಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Speech by Diksha.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my friends. Today we are celebrating World Environment Day. Our earth gives us everything: air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat. Thank you.
Speech by Amrut.
Good morning, everyone. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They give us oxygen, shade, fruits, and protect us from pollution. But cutting trees is harming our earth. Let us plant more trees and care for them. One tree today can save you many lives tomorrow. Plant a tree, save a life. Thank you.
Speech by Aklesh.
Good morning, everyone. Our earth gives us air, water, and food. But today, our earth is in danger. We must plant trees and save water and keep our surroundings clean. Thank you.
Speech by Niyal.
Good morning, everyone. Today is June 5th, World Environment Day. People all over the world plant trees and protect nature. Thank you.
Speech by Prajwal.
Good morning, everyone. Pollution is one of the biggest to our earth. Air pollution, water pollution, and plastic wastes are harming nature. We must reduce plastic use, avoid littering, and keep our surroundings clean. Let us be responsible citizens. Be the solution, not pollution.
Song by Diksha and team.
Save the earth, say it's our home. Save the earth, it's our home. Do not let pollution freely roam. Do not let pollution freely roam. Plant more trees, keep it clean. Plant more trees, keep it clean. Make our planet fresh and green. Make our planet fresh and green. Thank you.
Speech by Shalini.
Water is life. Every drop of water is precious, but many people waste water without thinking. Let us close taps properly, reuse water and avoid.
Speech by Aryan.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Speech by Nakshatra.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Nakshatra. I am studying in 10th class. It is my great pleasure to welcome our respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and my dear friends to this wonderful program. We are very thankful to our principal ma'am for guiding and encouraging us in every step of our school life. I also warmly welcome all our teachers who always support us with knowledge and care. Today I am very happy to speak a few words on this occasion of Environmental Day. Environment is everything around us like air, water, trees, animals and land. A clean and healthy environment is very important for a happy life. But today, pollution, plastic waste, and cutting of trees are harming our earth. By these few words, I include my speech. Thank you, one and all.
Speech by Prerna.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Prerna. I am studying in 10th class. We are very thankful to our principal ma'am for guiding and encouraging us in every step of our school life. I also warmly welcome all our teachers who always support us with knowledge and care. Today I am very happy to speak a words on occasion of Environmental Day.
I am not a superhero, but I want to save the earth. I am not a scientist, but I can keep my surroundings clean. Environmental Day is celebrated on June 5 every year. This day teaches us to protect nature and keep our earth clean and green. Trees, water, air, animals, and birds are very important for our life. Nowadays, pollution is increasing because people use too much plastic and cut many trees. This harms our environment. So, we should plant more trees, save water, avoid plastic, and keep our surroundings clean. We should follow the 3 steps of reduce, reuse, and recycle. By these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you, one and all.
Pledge by Satyaraj.
I promise today to plant more trees, to save water, to keep my surrounding clean, and protect my